What's up everybody and welcome to Ayman's Detailing Garage. Today we're going to be talking about wheel repairs, why my wheels are so green, and our affiliates business program. To do a little bit of a recap, we launched the affiliates business program a few months ago to highlight the fact that yes, we do use contractors as part of our business, as most businesses do for the services they don't offer, but we want to now start promoting and encouraging more contractors to come on board so then we can expand our services beyond just Sydney and beyond what we traditionally offer. One of those businesses that stood right up at us is ASA Wheels and Tires. What makes ASA Wheels special is that they have, and to my knowledge they're the only ones who have, a CNC machine inside their van as well as a dedicated spray booth with a 3-stage filtration system. And because they have a 3-stage filtration system in their paint booths, you're not going to get the issues with overspray and smell and doing the work in a nice clean environment and having somebody spray paint everywhere that you traditionally have with your normal repairers. Another reason we use ASA Wheels is that they have the ability to come out and replace a tire, strip it off mobile, fit a new tire on for you and balance it at your premises, which is very convenient, especially for Ayman's Garage since we're not a workshop. Now, let's talk about these particular wheels. These are wheels for the leading edge Time Attack Supra, and I think last year, towards the end of the year, I had a small mishap at Sydney Motorsport Park where I went off into the kiddie litter. And one of these wheels was very heavily damaged and chipped. That wheel needed repair, so it's going to be a good test of their workmanship and we'll see how they go. So the process of repairing these wheels was very simple for me, as all I had to do was give ASA Wheels the color that I wanted, which was the IGL green logo. They visited me at my place at Ayman's Garage. They washed the wheel very thoroughly, they sanded it, they took it inside the van, applied the paint as they would in a paint booth. They infrared baked the wheel, and we're now done. The next steps is that we're going to ceramic coat these wheels in IGL wheel, and then after that we're going to put some tires on and see how they hold up on the track. If you are a business in the automotive industry that finds value in networking with a company like Leading Edge Detailing and wishes to join our affiliates business program like ASA Wheels has, please contact us at sales@leadingdetailing.com.au. Let us know a little bit about your business and we're more than happy to work with you.